Welcome to Pradhesh Finance. And guess what? We are back with the GMP predictions for Wickfit Innovation Limited by Pradhesh Finance. Hey guys, if we see that is the good company to get invest, but we have seen there is a very less response from the investors' point of view. So it's okay in case you don't apply it because of lack of money or you don't have the money to apply it. You can buy the shares later on. But Quick Innovation is good company. Uh, Rating doesn't matter whatever we have review. It's all about it's this is the company from the home decor end. Anyways, we will see the consolidated report for Wickfit. We will talk about the company Wickfit Innovations IPO detail. The symbol will be Wickfit. IP issue period 8 December 2025 till 10 December 2025, and this price range between 185 rupees to 195 rupees per equity share, where the bid lot will be 76 per lot. And IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager Axis Capital Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, Namura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited, where we will see the sponsored banks are Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank Limited. Okay, guys. So this is all about Wickfit. So Wickfit is the company which is get less subscriber comparing others, means corona remedies. Qualified institutional buyer subscribe this IPO 3.04. Non-institutional investor show interest in this IPO 1.05. Then retail individual investors show interest in this IPO 3.17. Overall, this IPO got subscribed 2.52. So, what GMP predictions for Wakefit Innovation Limited? We are rushing to upload this sort of videos because in case we skip the date, then so that's the reason we are uploading anytime. So the price band they have given for IPO is 195 up to, means 185 to 195, but here we can see Wakefit can give you listing gain around 220 rupees minimum, or they can go even 250 rupees if they are paying from their own wallet. But frankly speaking, they will give it to you fixed price issue. Suppose they give it to you discount offer over here, they will open up this IPO around 190 rupees or 180 rupees. But frankly speaking, we haven't seen the such a things happen who is from the retail. They usually give it to you they usually give it to you listing gain, and so they will give it to listing gain around 230 to 40. First price will be 220, second target will be 250, and third will be 280 around, or 300, not 300. We will not overvalue it over here. Thank you by Prithvish Finance. We don't expect this should be happen with Wakefit, but it is okay. Company grows along with their investors, along with their employees, and the absolutely owners is the making biggest part of chunk. I mean, retail public investors may be take a time to gain a faith in the company. Anyways, guys, it's all about the company strategy, their marketing, their location, etc., etc. But this company is very good. You can stay invested for a long term down the line, 5 to 10 years. Bye.